Hello again at Graded. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the latest and greatest in gadget technology. We're featuring devices that excel in performance and offer cutting-edge features. It's time to see what's trending in the tech world. Let's get started. Imagine having an assistant that's compact, efficient, and incredibly smart. This gadget is all about convenience. See how it fits perfectly into your lifestyle. Here's a gadget that offers the best in tech without any complications. Meet the gadget that makes life easier, one task at a time. This is what convenience looks like in the gadget world. Have a look. Check out this device. It's built to perform and designed to impress. Introducing a gadget that's as smart as it is functional. Let's take a look. This gadget packs all the right features, making everyday tasks a breeze. Simplify your life with this innovative gadget that's both powerful and easy to use. This innovative gadget is designed for anyone, anywhere. Explore how this gadget can make your everyday more efficient. This gadget is a true tech marvel, offering to simplify your daily activities. This device simplifies complex tasks with just a few clicks. this gadget offers a new way of tackling day-to-day challenges. Get to know the gadget that everyone's talking about. Smart, sleek, and practical. This device is a must-have for anyone. Get tasks done quicker with this gadget that blends speed with technology.
Esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte.
Watch this device turn complex tasks into simple fun.
Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
See the future of technology with this gadget's advanced features. Efficiency at its best. This gadget is here to save the day. This device isn't just effective, it's essential for modern living. Handling daily tasks has never been easier, thanks to this device. Efficiency at its best. This gadget is here to save the day. Take a close look at how this gadget works to make your life smoother. Watch as we explore the simplicity and utility of this amazing gadget. This device is a perfect blend of technology and ease. Upgrade your gadget game with this simple yet powerful device. This tool isn't just a gadget, it's a practical solution for everyday problems. Bring home the latest in technology with this easy-to-use gadget. Technology just got simpler with this high-performing gadget. See why this gadget is a staple for tech enthusiasts and practical users alike. This gadget breaks the mold with its design and functionality. Join us as we demonstrate the versatility of this incredible device. This gadget is at the forefront of technology, making life easier for everyone. Experience the convenience brought by this gadget's innovative features. Here's a gadget that's reliable, efficient, and incredibly handy. Discover why this gadget is a favorite among tech lovers. Effortless technology at its finest. This gadget will impress you. Innovation meets practicality with this amazing gadget. This device offers a sleek look and powerful features. Explore the cutting-edge technology that makes this gadget a must-have.